You've said it quietly, or maybe just thought it. I'm not good enough, not smart enough, not talented enough, not strong enough to be them, to do that, to live fully. And you carry it like a secret, smiling on the outside, doubting on the inside. But here's something no one may have told you. You weren't born broken. You were taught to doubt yourself. Somewhere along the way, someone made you feel small. Or you compared your worst days to someone else's highlight reel. And slowly, you believed it. But imagine this: your younger sibling, scared, insecure, unsure. Would you say to them the things you say to yourself? You're not good enough? You'll never make it? You're a failure? No! You'd hold them. You'd say, you're doing okay, you're growing, you're trying, and that counts. So now it's your turn. Talk to yourself like someone you love. Start simple. I am learning. I am improving. I am worthy of better. Then prove it to yourself. Not with big wins, just tiny ones. Get up on time. Drink water. Show up. Do one thing today your doubt didn't expect. Each small win builds a louder voice, one that says, maybe I am enough. Maybe I always was. You don't have to be perfect to be worthy. You just have to be you. And that's already